Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I am not in my usual recording area. It is raining. I planned to make this video today. I got ready, got in the car, literally got a car wash. It was a good day to film, and all of a sudden it started raining, but it's fine. We're gonna make it work. So as you could tell by the title, this is a new car tour. I bought my first car and one of my dream cars. It is a Tesla Model 3. I really wanted this car just because I've always liked the way Teslas look. I've always wanted one. I originally wanted to get the Model X, but my mom suggested getting the Model 3 because it is a lot cheaper than the Model X. First, to see if I like having an electric vehicle, which I love. I don't think I will ever go back to a gas car ever again. I haven't put gas in like a month and I'm living my best life. I really like how sleek and minimal it looks. There's not a lot of hardware on the car. The doors are flush. Right now I'll get out and show you guys the outside, the doorknobs, everything. So this is what the inside looks like. The back is super basic, just your regular car back. As you can see, it has a full glass roof throughout the whole, of course minus this part. This is where it has like the little lights, but it is like a full moonroof. So I love the moonroof. It is one of the reasons that I got the car. But now that I have the car, I noticed it is a major inconvenience. It is so hard to keep it clean on the inside. And the number one thing I noticed that people do when they get in the car is they go, oh my gosh, you have a moon, and they touch it. So it's so hard to get all the fingerprints and everything off. Like, it literally stays dirty. But I mean, it's really nice to look at, especially right now how it's raining. It looks really, really nice. When I'm driving, I don't really notice it too much because I sit so close to the steering wheel. When I look up, it's this. From the back, it looks really nice. Right now, I'll get in the back and show you guys what it looks like to really be in the car. So next, what I really love is the screen. So the entire car is controlled by the screen. As you can see here, here's my little car. I can open the front trunk, the regular trunk, my little charging port. I can lock the car just like that. Here it has all the controls, my exterior lights, auto, mirror, steering wheel, all of that. I can control my lights, my locks, my display. You can put it on night mode. I have it on auto, so it automatically changes. My driving, my acceleration. I can literally control everything from here. So that is super cool that that has everything. Also, the screen is super fast. It literally responds as fast as my phone does. Other cars, I noticed that the screen does take a little bit to respond. This one responds super fast. So now I have my music. That's my phone. It shows my whole playlist, all the music on there. It also has, of course, regular radio. It has streaming through Tesla, and it has a bunch of genres, a bunch of stations. It's literally like its own little Pandora. It has Spotify. I don't have a Spotify account. It has karaoke, so you can literally sing karaoke in the car. And then, of course, these are all the stations in my area. I believe the car has 8 cameras. So this one is my reverse camera. These 2 are my side cameras. And I can put the car in Sentry mode, so if I leave the car and somebody does something to the car, it will literally record them and I can watch it back. Same thing while I'm driving. If I get in an accident, it will record it and I can watch it back. So then here I can control my windshield wipers. These are just some extras. So it has my phone on there, everyone I've called, all my contacts, a little phone thing, my faves. It also has my calendar, so it syncs everything from my phone to the car. When I have something to do or something on my calendar, when I get in the car, it'll pop up and let me know, which is super cool because I tend to forget things. It has energy, how much energy the car is using. I don't know how to read that. My charging, how much charge I have. It has Google, the web. So this part is super cool because it has Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, all of that. And it also has games for when your car is charging. You can play a game, or if you're just waiting. And it also has this feature called Toy Box. So it has a boom box, so it will literally play outside. Let's say you're playing music, it'll play the music you're playing outside of the car. You can change your horn sound. You can make yourself a driving sound. It has a whoopee cushion. It has this thing called tracks. You can literally create a beat on your car. It has this feature called romance. It has a little fireplace. It makes it all cozy in here. And it literally plays Frank Ocean. So that will literally play Frank Ocean. I didn't know it played music until right now. It has a sketch pad, so you can draw things. You can make everything look like Mars, which I don't know why you would do, but that's cool. I'm not gonna hit that feature because it always turns on and it plays Jingle Bells outside of the car, and I don't know to this day how to turn it off. Or it has Rainbow Road, where it'll make your driving look like you are driving on a rainbow. So to open the door, you just push in and pull it open. So this is what it looks like from the back seat. As you can see, the glass is like completely above your head, and then looking forward, it's just a really nice looking view. It has 2 USB ports, so if you need to charge your phone. It has air conditioning vents, of course. It has a little cup holder right here. Oh, that is dirty. So I mean, it has, of course, all the features that a normal car would. I don't know why it wouldn't. So to open the door, you actually hit this button right here, and it opens your door. There isn't like an actual doorknob or latch. It is just that. And then of course it has 2 speakers in the back, and if you could see up there in the front, that whole line right there is literally a speaker. Here's my charger. I just plug this in to the car every day. It has like a little charging case. And then it also does have like extra storage area under here. The cars, unfortunately, do not come with a spare tire. I don't know why. Of course, you could always buy one, but the car like actually doesn't come with one, which is weird and the first thing that I've seen. This is what it looks like from the front. It is very sleek looking. I have the stock rims that came with the car. I really like them, but I'm thinking about changing them to black rims. I don't know yet. I really actually like these. Yeah, this is what she looks like. She's a little bit longer than my previous car. So the previous car I had before getting this one, I had a Lexus. So this one is a little bit bigger than my car. It's actually kind of a lot bigger. So it was different getting used to driving this one, parking it, but now I love it. I don't think I could ever go for a smaller car again. So one thing that always confuses people is turning the air on and off. So the air is right here, and to actually move your air, you literally have to touch it and move it. You can combine it into like one stream, or you can move it out and make 2 different ones. And then the air actually is like in here. There's not like actual physical air vents. It's like kind of hidden, which I like. I feel like it makes it look very sleek. Hi guys, it's me from the future. As you can see, I'm home now. I completely forgot to mention a very important part. So there is no keys with this car. You either get a card, literally like a credit card, to unlock your car, or you have the Tesla app. So this is what it looks like. I'm just blocking my location because I'm at home and it has my address, but this is what it looks like. So I can control my media. It says my phone key is connected. The climate, I can actually go in and turn on or off my air, whether I'm in the car, or it literally doesn't matter how far I am. I can be in another state and turn on the air conditioner in my car. That's the number one thing people ask, is does it get hot in the car? Because of the glass ceiling, which yes, it gets extremely hot in the car. I think the highest I've ever seen my car at on here is 161 degrees. So it does get extremely hot. I live in Texas, so hot. Don't want to deal with that. So 5 minutes before I get in my car, I just turn on my climate, and by the time I'm in the car, it is literally cool in here. I don't even have to worry about burning myself on the seat or anything like that. So this is super cool. That's honestly my favorite part. I can open the windows, so if I hit vent right here, the windows just crack open. I can close them. I can lock the car, honk the car, start the car, open the front trunk, the back trunk. I can turn on Sentry mode, which records while I'm not in the car. So if someone does something to my car, like I mentioned earlier in the video, it records them. So yeah, there's so much that I can do with this. I could turn it on valet mode. So what that is let's say I go to a restaurant and my car is going to be valeted. I'll turn it on valet mode. It locks all of the consoles or compartments. It locks all of the compartments, so they can't open this, they can't open those, or the glove box. And it also has this little camera right here. If you can see that, it's super tiny. It has that little camera right there, so it will essentially record them if whoever's valeting my car, so that let's say I have my purse in the back and it goes missing, I can just go back and watch that and see what happened. My charging, of course, it tells me how much charge I have. I can open my little charging port. It tells me all the nearby superchargers and the nearby chargers. I just charge my car at home and that works well enough, but of course you can go to a supercharger. I don't, because the nearest one is 15 miles away. I also have my roadside assistance on here, my service if my car needs to be serviced, which, fun fact, Teslas do not need to be serviced at all. There's no oil, there's literally nothing to service. The only thing that needs to be, did you see that bug? The only thing that needs to be changed and serviced, of course, is the brake pads, the tires, and the cabin air filter. But that is literally it. I don't need to get my oil changed. I don't need to get literally anything done to the car, literally. Which is why I love it too, because I hate taking my car to get anything done to it. And I can also buy upgrades on here. So I can buy the full self-driving capability, which is $10,000. I didn't buy the full self-driving because it's $10,000, and I also didn't really feel the need for it. I don't see why I would need my car to drive itself. It has autopilot, so that basically is self-driving. It keeps me in the road, so like let's say I'm drifting out of my lane, it will correct me and put me back in my lane. While I'm driving, it shows all the stop signs, street lights, cars. If someone's riding a bike, it will show them on the bike. It literally has everything the full self-driving has, other than the fact that it is a full self-driving. Or I could buy rear heated seats for $300. I could do the full self-driving for $199 a month. The premium connectivity, which has the live traffic visualization, video streaming, internet, music, that's $9.99 a month. I am gonna get that, but right now I have it for free since I just got the car. So I have it for free for a while, but once I do not have that for free, I will go ahead and be buying that. And then of course, if you lose your car, you can literally find the location just like that. So if someone steals your car, you'll literally always know where it's at. So yeah, that's just like an important little feature that I wanted to touch on that I forgot. Now back to present me. So what I like about the car also is it has a lot of compartment space. So it has this glove box right here, and it has like a little tray. I'm trying not to put a lot of stuff in it. I have a mask, of course, some hand sanitizer, Israel's wallet. I have some lotion. You never want to be caught with your hands crusty. Have my garage door opener, my AirPods, of course. And then under here, I have some Juicy Couture wipes from Ross, some hand sanitizer wipes. I got them because they're Juicy Couture, they're pink, and they were only $1.49. Then of course I have another mask. You can never have too many masks during this pandemic. Also, it has like a lighter in here, and this just fits perfectly in right there. And then there also is 2 compartments over here. This one has my napkins, so I have some napkins in there. This one's a little bit deep. I have a little like window breaker seatbelt cutter emergency tool thing. I have a charger, and then up here is like a phone deck wireless charger type thing. I haven't set up the charger to be like a wireless charger yet. You have to like do something to it, but it's like a cute little phone deck area thing, and of course you could close it. I also like that it has the wood grain up here. The white interior, which I originally wanted, doesn't have the wood grain. It just has like this silver throughout the whole thing. I originally wanted to get white interior, but I was watching so many videos and they said it was so hard to keep it clean, and I also just liked the way the black looked inside instead, especially because I have black rims. I feel like it just ties everything together. I am gonna get the windows tinted tomorrow. Actually, I cannot stand driving in a car without the windows tinted. Everyone looks in and they could see me. If I'm looking dusty, that is just not my vibe. So I am getting my windows tinted tomorrow. I do want to buy some more accessories for the inside of the car. I'm just not sure what vibe I'm trying to go for yet, but I've decided that my vibe is going to be blinged out. So for now, I'm starting to buy things slowly. I don't want to buy everything all at once, but now that I know like my kind of vibe, I'm just gonna start purchasing things that have bling. I got this little emblem for the steering wheel on Amazon. I believe it was $15, and it's so cute, just super bling. I do eventually want to get a cover for the screen, and the border of the screen protector has bling as well. I also have this little bling smell good thing from Bath and Body Works. I like that because you can change out the smell whenever you want. They are a little expensive to buy in my opinion. I think it's like 3 for $9, and they don't even really work that well. They work really good for the first 2 or 3 days, and then after that it's like, I also do plan on buying bling emblems for the front and the back of the car eventually. Those are a little bit pricier. I do have a bling license plate cover for the front and the back, even though I don't have license plates yet. And then I'm not sure if I want to get bling handles yet, like if I want to get them custom made, like blinged out. I don't know yet if that's like going over the top. Yeah, these are just the little accessories I have so far. I do eventually want to install interior lighting, like the colored lighting, but everything is just coming together slowly. I will be making another video once I have all my accessories, everything really completed in the car. But that is it for this car tour, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and as always, head over to my Instagram to give me a follow. Comment down below any questions that you guys have about the car or anything else you would like to see in a video regarding the car. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.